The renovation and extension of the Schwarzman Center at Yale University reinvigorate the existing building and expand the possibilities of this hub for student life. The lighting design by l'Observatoire International recognizes the site's need for multifunctional space and variable occupancies around the clock and calendar. Yale's diverse and global student body now has a communal facility that is equally dynamic to host multiple functions at the same time, each space being highly flexible to respond to different modes of use during day and night. For the site and exterior lighting, with its prominent location on Hewitt Quadrangle, the new luminous facade celebrates the internal energies of the Schwarzman Center. The interior work is divided into the refurbishment of existing and the introduction of new spaces that are connected by generous circulation corridors. Congratulations to l'Observatoire International.